Hello, this is Miss Lena, and I'm coming to you today. And I first want to say I thank you to all of my subscribers, all the new ones and all the old ones, and the one that's the viewers is not a subscriber. It's not a subscriber yet. And I'm hoping that maybe after you see some of my videos that you will decide that you would like to be subscribed. And I would love to have you to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Now, I'm getting ready to get started, and I always have my verse before I start the cooking. Okay, I have glorified thee on the earth. I have finished the work which thou gavest me to do. John 1:17 and verse 4. Thank you so much. Now, I'm getting ready to do a banana bread today, and I'm starting with the banana bread. I have my bananas already stirred, mashed up, okay? And I'm going to be using salt, baking soda, buttermilk, brown sugar, and the regular granulated sugar. And I'll be using 2 eggs. And I'll be using 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor. And I'll be using 1 teaspoon of table salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So this is what I have. And okay, 1 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Okay. All right. And the next thing I have is I have 1/4 cup of butter, which has been melted. All right.
It can be melted or it can be room temperature.
All right. And also now my next ingredients to put in is my eggs. I have 2 eggs. Okay. And I'm going to start beating them together a little bit. And the next thing I'll be putting in will be my buttermilk. Is 1/2 cup of buttermilk. Oh, it's going to have it in the cup. Okay. And this all mixed up together. Let me put in my vanilla flavor. It's 1 teaspoonful. Okay. And also, I've mixed together my salt and the baking soda. It's 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. All right. All right, I'm gonna start blending it in also. Okay. Now I've got my salt, okay. Now I will be putting in my flour. I'm gonna put in a little bit at a time. And I'm gonna start the electric mixer as I start right now. Okay. I'm gonna beat this a little bit. Now, I'll be putting in my bananas. I'm going to put a little bit at a time, and then I'll put the rest. And just wait, oh my goodness. This thing is heavy. Okay. This is just in it. I'm not very good at sitting down when I'm using the whisk.
And that's a cup and a half of bananas.
Hmm.
I was telling them it was a cup and a half of old bananas.
Oh yeah, cup and a half of bananas. Oh, if you desire to make it bigger, you'll know how to double it up. I'm only using a certain amount, and so I'm not gonna be doubling it up. Okay. Okay. So now I'm gonna add the rest of my sugar, my flour, and the bananas. Okay. Okay, I have a cup of English walnuts, that I'm going to be putting in. Now you can put whatever kind of nuts you like in, if you like nuts in them. Okay.
Or if you're allergic to them, you don't have to put nuts in them at all. It's just optional.
I think I did make some before with pecans. The last one I made, I think we had pecans. I don't know. I'm not for sure. You can put whatever nuts you like. What's your favorite? Oh, so I'm getting ready to spray my pan. The butter flavor. I have the butter flavor. Okay. I'm getting ready to put it in the loaf pan. I need to have one just a little bit larger, but I didn't know it was going to take this. I don't know what happened to my larger one, so I'm going to try to get it in here. Let me mark the spatula right there. Okay, I'm getting ready to put this in the oven right now. It's going to take about an hour for it to cook. And I'll be back as soon as it finishes. Thank you so much. Okay. This is the final touches of my banana bread. And I'm getting ready to take a taste of it.
And that's how it's looking.
We took it out of the oven. So. It's still pretty hot. It's very good.
She had already been cut into before she even did the video.
It's good. Really good. If you all like banana bread, try it. It's good for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, whenever you like to have it. Or just for a snack. So, I thank you all for viewing it. Thank you to all my new subscribers and all the old ones. I appreciate you so much. It's a very good recipe for you to start with. Thank you so much. Love you all. Bye-bye for Miss Lena's Kitchen.